The studio Job Wunderkammer is one of the captivating chambers in Swarovski Crystal Worlds located in Wattens, Austria. Designed by Studio Job, a renowned Belgian-Dutch design duo, this installation reimagines the traditional cabinet of curiosities into a modern spectacle of surrealism, art, and crystal craftsmanship. The chamber showcases a mix of eclectic, oversized objects infused with Swarovski crystals, creating an immersive and fantastical environment. Key highlights include a giant smoking pipe, an industrial inspired locomotive, and whimsical sculptures, all meticulously adorned with dazzling crystals. The installation juxtaposes everyday objects with surreal elements, reflecting Studio Job's signature style of merging art, design, and storytelling. The Wunderkammer captures the spirit of exploration and discovery, inspiring visitors to marvel at the interplay between light, crystal, and imagination. Design also reflects themes of nostalgia, fantasy, and modern artistry, pushing the boundaries of what can be achieved with Swarovski crystals. This chamber is a celebration of Studio Jobs' avant-garde creativity and Swarovski's commitment to innovative design, making it a must-visit for lovers of art and design. Thank you so much for watching and wish you a good day.